Alright, this is gonna be a quick video of apartment 16D here at LETU. Hey, somebody should cut the grass. I had the door propped open so I could use my key. I just got all my stuff moved in, so I figure, figure at least do that. So yeah, just moved in today, well obviously. So yeah, I'm just put everything right there until I can figure out what this current situation is. So yeah, it's very dated. I mean, it's kind of cozy, I think. It's very dated. Looks very 60s to me, I think. So once you have your front door, little people. Really old style chain lock. Does it still work? Yes, it does. We have a deadbolt here. That's like not the greatest because like there's like 2 revolutions of like a lash in this thing. So like it's all the way, so it's like 1 or whatever. It's 1 full revolution actually. Yeah. It's half 1. There it starts activating. And then doors and lights. Okay, that turns on that one. So yeah, this table here looks like it has this expansion leaf in it. Yep. Actually, it's just like our table at home, I think. Or maybe it's 70s, I don't know. But this kitchen is pretty ancient. And here you have your water heater and furnace, your HVAC system. Over here is just a huge pantry. Got that bigger pantry than what you find in a lot of regular houses. And then the kitchen, everything's empty. But yeah, here's your fridge, freezer, oven. Fridge is new, but everything else looks maybe original. This is pretty old. Planning to only be here for around a week. Hopefully no longer than 2 weeks. But yeah. Yeah. This place is really dated. Here's your thermostat. Had the door open for a while while moving my stuff in. It got the thing going. I guess that TV hookup. There's like 1 book. Some water damage down there. I don't know, looks like because it's a little discolored there. Have some little chairs and a little couch. And your bedroom's over here on the left. Bathroom storage on the right. I had to move one of the mattresses and bed frames over into this room. Hopefully it'll be staying here. So here's some guy's stuff in here, and yeah, I'm waiting for one of the guys to show up so he can help me set up this bed. But in this room, this is an empty closet. I already went through everything here. And then this room has a sink, the other one does not. It's actually mounted at an angle you can see in the mirror. Yeah, all that's empty too, so. And that's where the bed frames were in this closet. Move some of this stuff back. There you go, it's hard. I know I'm tired. I want to nap if I can. But yeah, this is one room. Cozy in here. We'll knock out this room. I think it's a little bit smaller. Yeah, this one looks a little bit smaller. Some of the guy's stuff in here. That light dish looks... That dish on that light looks different than that one. Yeah, they're different. So this room... There's a double closet, but of course this desk was in the storage room over here, so I moved that to get the stuff out and into the other room. So there's more bed stuff in there. And then some other little desk thing area. Door to that one's gone. It's nice and cool, nice and quiet though, I will say. Some light. I'm assuming that's like the Wi-Fi router box or something. Storage room. I have no idea what this thing is. Maybe it's like some server. I don't know. Some computer thing. But you have to move the desk back in here now. And bathroom. And just like everything else, it's dated. But it'll work. Little event. Because I think that's like a fan. I think it's like a fan and heater because it's got this timer thing. Oh yeah, it has that heater element smell to it, and this is just a regular fan. So they sound different. And it's the shower. It looks a little old, but I think it'll work. So yeah, toilet plunger, thankfully. Yep. So yeah, that's this place in a nutshell. Pretty basic, pretty boring, and date, yeah. Alright, well, I think that's everything I wanted to cover. I think I covered everything, and that'll be it.